Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January, day 30. So let's dive into another creative session for this year's Junk Journal January, and the prompt for today is pocket. This is another prompt I was really excited for, since I created the prompt list for all of us, because I really knew I wanted to use this kind of cut up translucent envelope. Here I just had a bit of a look at another envelope for the prompt, but then finally decided to go with the translucent one, as I wanted to play with some different layers and to also make the inside of the envelope beautiful, so make a little tuck card for inside as well. I decided to go with the translucent one, but first just make a bit of decoration around that before adding the envelope as our pocket for the day. Just adding some more stars. As you know me, I can't get enough stars in my journals and art in general, so we start off with some recycled packaging and some silver stars. The only downside to those kind of stars made from the tinfoil from some sweets is they don't glue down very easy. Yesterday's they were fine because it was more paper-based, the material. They are fine, but these ones are not as sturdy. But the one underneath the envelope is kind of okay. They will stay there, but the ones I add on top are a bit of a problem now. I really have to kind of think of different glue for those kind of materials, I guess. You live and you learn, I guess. Here I'm just blissfully unaware, making more stars to add to the spreads and being happy about the silver shiny material. I don't know, sometimes you just experiment with things and in the end they don't work out as you planned them to. But I guess that's also fine. It's part of art to not have everything perfectly working out all the time. Here I'm just having a look through my washi tape collection to add some more elements to the spread, and decided to add this washi tape that kind of looks like little stamps to add to the spread, as I think they add a neat little vintage inspired element to the site. And I really love this old notes music sheet inspired kind of washi tape. Really have to kind of pace myself with using it, as I don't want it to run out too fast. So, or maybe I have to just order some more. Here I'm just adding some more postage stamps to this spread. And the funny thing, these motifs I also do have in bigger size as stamps. These are the exactly same stamps. It's really funny. I have to do something in the future where I use the big and the small ones, I guess. But for now I didn't really had an idea where the stamp would work in a way. So we're just using these small little washi tapes here, as they also help me to secure the envelope more to the side. Now let's go on to decorate the inside card for the envelope, and here I did get out some of my hand-drawn postage stamps to include into the spread, and just a bit of old book pages and some more of the little stars, and I just decided to make a little collage at the bottom of the card. This is an old note card from university. Some study notes from a while back. but it's a super sturdy cardstock, so I decided to not toss those and just use them as material for my journals. And now I decided to get out one of my big brush pens and just draw a little illustration of a kind of tree on top of the spread. Sometimes I just take the brush to paper and then kind of something forms out of it, and this time it was this little kind of branch tree illustration situation. I really love this brush pen. It's so nice. I really have to get some more ink to refill it soon, as I feel like the ink is kind of running low, but yeah, I have to figure it out where I can buy some more ink for that. I guess it's refillable. I think there are some instruction on it. I haven't refilled it yet, so I don't really know. Now let's just add a little note to the front of the pocket, and then I will use the card as a kind of journaling card for myself in the back to just add a little letter to myself. I just decided to add the words to my future self on the front of the pocket. I'm really happy with all the different textures and layers of today's spread, and I feel like this turned out really beautiful. Overall, I'm just really happy with how the Junk Journal January for 2026 is coming along and how it went. I'm really happy with the spreads I created, and I'm really excited now for all the creative fun projects coming in 2026. Yeah, here I'm securing the stars that won't be very secure soon. But I guess that's a bit of a future me problem. I don't know how they get loose from this afternoon till now. Yeah, I don't know. I think they don't like the bending of the page that much, and the just normal paper glue isn't the right glue to use, so I need to get out some craft glue and secure them again, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!